this is Fritz, and as you can see in the corner over here, this is how Joe handles logical refutations by just blocking people. I'm back for another one, short one this time. But in this one, I'm gonna let the video run through, it's a short one, and then I'm gonna add a few bits and pieces.
Dude, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's like,
See the frame
you know,
count.
what's the point of that? Might as well just have a
Yeah.
higher frame rate in just borderless, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, it's red. Oh shit.
Is it red?
What's that?
I don't know, is it red?
Yep.
They were looking at it
Absolutely
straight
was
away,
red.
innit? Like, straight into my face.
Okay, so we got this section right here. Me and my partner going through the fence here.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's red. Oh shit.
Okay, so I get shot out here, and you're probably going to think, he's not going to call cheats here, is he? I mean, why wouldn't I call cheats here, right? I mean, you could argue that they heard us, which is fine, yeah, they heard us, but you have to make the argument that they just happened to be in that position to make that shot without them making any noise whatsoever. Or we're just going to believe that they just happened to be at that window and they knew that we were coming. You can hear footsteps inside of a building because it echoes and it reverberates. You can hear footsteps inside of buildings, and they would have had to have moved to the position quickly. So, and we're going to hear them footsteps, like it's an absolute fact. So you've got to assume that they must have wall hacks and had already moved in there in advance and waited, and then waited a little while for the shot to happen, so they wouldn't immediately think that's a bit sus that they were at the window waiting. So make it think, or maybe they moved to the window and then took the shot. Maybe it wasn't as sus, but then you got to ask, well, why aren't there any footsteps? And you can't really tell anything because obviously the window is a bit dark, so you can't see anything for certain. Let's go to the back cave, to the back computer, and let's enhance the image. Let's see what we can do. Okay, we're here with our enhanced image, zoomed in a little bit so we can see a little bit better, and we're going to play the clip. We're going to see what we can see.
Oh, it's red.
There we go. That's the clip right there, and as you can see,
Oh, it's red.
you can see the fella's skin pass over the window. Right here, that's the fella's skin right there.
Oh, it's red.
Bit. Right, moving across the window, right here. So they were not out the window. Right, and then you can see them there. And they take the shot. So we've got confirmation that they're moving across this window without making any noise.
Oh, it's red.
And we're like crouch walking, like we should be able to hear this. There's no audio that would be obfuscating their footsteps inside this building.
Oh, it's red.
But they've moved all the way to this window, completely silently, not a single step being made.
Yeah. Oh, it's red.
And then bang, takes the shot. So clearly it would seem like they have no footstep cheats, and then they banged me out. Okay, and we've got their profile here, name of Agnesha, KD of 103, kind of standard. Some decent amount of time played in the game. And we see their profile, they've got the anime profile, minimum 100 games, 6-year-old account. Nothing seems too sus about the game time or the account length, but of course they have the anime, which is always used by cheaters quite often. So there you go. Okay, and that's
Okay. I'm not touching the profile because I don't care. I care about the clip. First part I want to talk about right here. If you look at Kane, his teammate, you can see the dark side animation. Third person dark side animation. You cannot hear the sound of it.
Yeah. Oh, it's red.
You can either say it's either covered up by the somewhat perfectly timed explosion in the background, or Joe is fucking up his own audio. Or if you would think in Joe's logic, his teammate would be cheating. I mean, Joe claims no footsteps cheat exists, so why would no dark side sound cheats not exist? But yes, they don't, but just to detail how Joe would think.
Yeah. Oh, it's red.
And that guy inside crouching.
Ooh.
When he enhances the clip. Not a thing. You replay the clip before saying anything. Do not have any background music in it that makes you look like you're desperately trying to hide something. Background music in highlights and gameplay clips like I do is fine, but in accusations, no. You can only use background music in between when you're not showing a clip. Just one little thing. If I'm not mistaken, there's one faint crouching step in this part. You can hear it because you replace it consistently. But it's so faint that you cannot register it properly.
Okay, we're here with our enhanced image, zoomed in a little bit so we can see a little bit better. And we're going to play the clip. We're going to see what we can see.
Oh, it's red.
There we go. That's the clip right there. And as you can see,
Oh, it's red.
you can see the fella's skin pass over the window.
It's a faint wood step, and it does not sound as heavy as butcher steps. The butcher would not go up the crouch steps here in this case because the butcher is on your left and this guy's straight in front of you. You will still hear it. But now we gotta go on to the next section of disproving his claims again and exposing that he fucks up his own audio settings. But Joe won't be seeing this one because he blocked me. I cannot comment on his videos anymore because I've already exposed him before. But this is just laying around. If you find this video and want Joe to let it know that it exists or tell him to watch it, do it. I don't care. It's more to expose him and not for him to see it, but it would be funny for him to see it. He won't. On to the next section.
It's borderless, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, it's red. Ooh, shit.
Is it red?
Who's that?
I don't know, is it red?
Yep.